back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This wig is from Tinashe Hair on Amazon. Sticky tapes so you can wear the wig glueless. Elastic band. Wig combs. HD wig caps. 6x5. It is 20 inches. Burmese curly. Hopefully it's pre-bleached. Here's the curls, y'all. The curls are so nice. Here's how the hairline looks fresh out of the pack. Here's the cap construction. It's so neat. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. And you got your drawstring to pull it tight, which I love. It is pre-bleached, as you can see on my hand, which is a good thing. I love that. The hair itself is so soft and natural, but I don't want to mess up these ends because the ends are so cute. This wig is so full. No smell at all. And I know this wig is going to shed a little bit, but not that much. And she real thick.
Right now. I look this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
So crazy right now. And the ROC, OG, big homie, the one and only. Stick bony, but the pockets are fat like Tony. Soprano, the rock handle like Van Exu. I shake phonies, man, you can't get next to. The genuine article, I do not sing though. I sling though, if anything, I blink yo. Star like Ringo, war like a green beret. You crazy, bring your whole set. Crazy in the range, crazy in the range. They can't figure them out, they like, hey, is he insane? Yes sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best firm chinchilla. I've been feeling the chain smokers. How you think I got the name Hov? I've been feeling the game's over. Fall back young, ever since I made the change over to platinum. The game's been a rap one.
Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I'm not myself lately. I'm foolish, I don't do this. I've been playing my